Hello, my prepper posse. Oh, Saturday night. We worked till about 3 today selling, and the heat was so ridiculous that we had to quit. I mean, nobody wanted to be out in it. So anyway, we found an AC in one of the units, a nice new one, my daughter and I, because we can't work in the bus without AC. Yeah, it's kind of dark in here. Let's chink. There we go. Anyway, it's too hard to work. Oh, anyway, her and I, temporarily, this is just temporary. Oh, we temporarily stuck an AC in here. It's cold in here now. Where we might be able to sleep. Yeah, it's cold in here. DWD Jeepster, we love you. I'm sorry that we didn't think to put one in while you were here. I'm so... Because this is a lifesaver right now. Just to have an air conditioner in here. I mean, it's Florida. For the most part, we don't need one, but... Oh, if I could just tell you how good this feels. Oh, 66 in the bus. Yeah, nice and chilly. It's a brand new AC. Wasn't really used much. But it's going to make a big difference, especially since I want to spend, the rest of the week working in here. I wouldn't be able to do it during the day. Not in Florida. The heat right now is... I can't explain it. Anybody that lives in Florida knows what I'm talking about. Alright, well, there it is. We stuck it in the emergency window because these windows open straight out. So there it is, and I've got it kind of being held open by 2x4 off of the AC. But it's, again, it's temporary. It's for now. At least we'll be able to work in the bus. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to. It's April 16th, Saturday. These are the ferals running around chewing on a bone. We threw some ribs out for them that we made. They're loving it. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear in the background, there's a lot of music. People are partying downtown. The ferals are getting really big. Alright, this is the courtyard. We have everything tarped. Because they said there was supposed to be rain tonight. We got hit last night at 7 o'clock. We had a storm. But everything's tarped. Except for the clothing. The clothing dries in 2 minutes, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright. Hope everybody's having a good evening. Enjoy your Saturday evening. See you!